Alright, so this morning, first things first, I got a lot of things to do, but the New Holland's got a flat tire. I air it up, it goes down, so I'm going to take it off, and there's a tire shop about 5 minutes from here. I'm going to have them take a look at it. Probably have to plug it up, whatever, but need to get that done because we're going to have to start putting out hay, and it's hard to put out hay with a flat tire, so that's what I'm working on. I'm gonna hook up to my little trailer here because the New Holland tire is big and it is filled with fluid, and I can't just pick it up and toss it in the back of the truck, so I'm gonna roll it up on this trailer. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my compressor here and I'm gonna air the tire up because I ain't got enough room in the shop or the shed to work on it, so I'm gonna back it out to where I can get to it easier. Friends are still there. They look really cold this morning. It was 26 this morning, probably in the mid-30s right now. I don't think they're gonna bother me. I think it's pretty evident where the hole is. Didn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. I was airing it up and I could feel air hitting me in the face, so anyway, we'll get this tire off and we're gonna get it plugged. Used to go a lot quicker. I had an impact wrench big enough to fit those, but I brought my other tools over here with my impact wrench and I didn't have a size big enough, so I had to go back and get my big set. Oh well. Won't take just a minute. That sucker was heavy. Alright, we got the tire back. Had to go to the co-op, get it fixed. They said it obviously had a hole in it because we saw it, but the tube had already been patched 2 or 3 times, so we put a new tube in it and we should be good to go. Just got to get this heavy sucker back on here. I got my helper Case with me today. He helped me take the tire to the co-op and get fixed. We got the tire on. It's kind of hard for me to film that and keep up with a 4-year-old while trying to put a tire on by myself, but we got it on there, and just got to tighten up these lug nuts now, and then probably gonna put out a little hay now that the tractor's fixed. You little fruit snack.
Let's go catch that fruit snack back in the...
What are you doing, fruit snack? Huh? All right, well, we put out some hay. We put ahead and put some hay in this pasture behind me, the winter pasture that they're not in yet. And those rows are smaller. If you happen to notice, those are some that, like, we got down to the end of the field and didn't quite make a 5x6 bale or a 4x5. That tree that you saw, that fell on the fence, and the way the rest of the tree looks, might not be long before it falls too, but I really need to get that tree cut. But we got a little hay put out. We're filling up some water. We're gonna take some hay over to those steers. We're getting prepared to move those steers this weekend. We're gonna move them back over here. I'm gonna put them back in with the rest of the cows. I thought I was gonna take them to the butcher right about now, but I think I'm gonna give them a couple more months. I mean, they look good, but give them a few more months and then feed them out and they'll really turn out good. And when my middle son Colby gets here, I think we're gonna saddle up the horses, go for a ride, and that fruit snack, we might run old fruit snack down with the horses and get him back in, figure out where he's getting out again. And I got this fruit snack here climbing the fence with me. So I'm trying to feed these guys here. It's actually 3 steers and my 1 heifer. Trying to feed them here. Still got to get some panels to put over here on the left side, but trying to get them used to coming in here because we're going to try to load them up. You can see this one right here. That's one of the good ones. He's actually 6 months younger than this one right here, but he's bigger than that one. Show you what good genetics to do there. And that's a heifer there that I'm keeping. But they're all gonna get loaded up and move them back over to the winter pasture. I got one over there I got to wean, and I'm gonna put all of these together for about a month, and then I'll put them all back together in the winter pasture. But we're gonna give them a little feed here. Yep, seems like we're always too busy to ride. doing too many chores and working, but sometimes you just gotta take time and go riding. I don't even think I've rode my gelding this year. So, pretty day for it too. We got Sunny and we got Blue. Hopefully they don't act too dumb. Don't get much prettier day for a ride than this. So far so good. They aren't acting real crazy or nothing. We had a little deal. They spooked when we got on the gravel road down there, but they had to be expected. They hadn't been rode. We're going by this pond right here. We had that calf out earlier. I thought that we might get to chase him, put him up, but no such luck. He was already back in there with his mama. Go figure out where that little booger's getting out, but hey, it's a good way to end the day here. Tell you how dry it is. That's a pond that he's riding in back there. Dried up. This is the cotton field that I did the drone footage on in my last video. It's all gone. My shooting house over there. Yep. I think this is a good spot to end it right here. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.